One person linked in Sanjay Roshans' murder arrested. Good morning, you're watching Kirby Along Live with your host Jirbon Kilimpi. And now let's hear the news in detail. On the night of May 19, Sanjay Roshans, a resident of Daojingpang under Dhansari police station, was shot dead by suspected cadres of the DNLA militants. Since then, the police and security forces are actively carrying out investigation to nab the culprits involved in the killing. The Kirby Anglong police made the first breakthrough in the investigation on Saturday after arresting one person linked to Daojingpang shootout. As assured by the police to arrest all the culprits within a week, Additional SP Prakash Anowal, Additional SP Nahid Karisma led a team to conduct the operation. They were assisted by Khatkati Police Station OC Moblik Brahma, Dhansari Outpost in Church Ranjit Hajorika, Borpathar Police Station SI Nilut Pol, along with Battalion Commander. The person arrested, identified as 30 years old Nabojit Thousand, son of Bire Thousand of Dhansari Shif Nagar, was arrested from Habjan under Dhansari. According to the police, the arrested Nabojit Thousand is the brother of DNLA commander Prem Thousand, alias Ringsa, alias Tamil. The arrested man has been taken into the custody for further interrogation into the matter. News report, Kirby Anglong Live. Despite several reports of machines being used in sand mining in several places under Nilip constituency, the activities continued unabated. Sounds of machines running in the river to suck out sand from the riverbed could be seen daily. Here is a report from our correspondent. The sand mahaldars engaged in sand mining from the Panjan River under Nilip MSC constituency are unable to put a check on the use of machines despite government's ban on it. This unrestrained and uncontrolled extraction of sand from riverbed is causing massive damage in the area. Panjan is the native place of local MSC Pobitro Rongpi, yet he has utterly failed to take any action on this matter despite being widely reported in the media. Locals fear that if the mining continues at such destructive rate, then nothing will be left for the next generation. The most evident impact of using machines in mining is the erosion of riverbanks. In addition to this, the vehicles that are engaged in transportation of sand leaving a massive impact on the road connectivity, damaging roads of the area. On Friday night, a truck loaded with wet sand got stuck on the road near Mirabhiti Bridge. The reason was the road being unable to support the weight of the truck. This resulted in halting of vehicular movement in the area. However, no action was taken on the truck. It is true that the Department of Forest and Environment is earning revenue from the transported sand. But the question that haunts the mind of local residents is, if all resources are exhausted today, then the next generation would be severely affected by this careless exploitation. Following this, locals have urged the authority to monitor the mining activities so that it can be done in a sustainable way. Sanjit Crow's report from Chokihola for Kirby Anglong Live. A 12-year-old boy from Jirikindeng who was rescued by the Kirby Students Association Dilai branch while walking on foot in Dilai area from Dimapur on Saturday reunited with his parents. This was informed by KSA Bokajan Regional Committee Secretary Nobin Rongpi and Dilai KSA Head Branch Vice President Abirta Timung here on Saturday evening. The 12-year-old boy, identified as Benjamin Rongpar, son of Joseph Rongpar, resident of Rongjangpong Village, Jirikindeng, West Kirby Anglong District, was discovered by the KSA Dilai unit at Dilayaji Bridge area while he was walking from Dimapur. On inquiring, the boy told the student's body that he fled from Block 2, Lane 9, Tilisu village, Dimapur, where he was stated to be living with a Naga family since February this year as domestic help and education purpose. He further alleged that he was frequently beaten by the family and ran away as he could no longer tolerate corporal punishment anymore.
Itum akorte lo dak nidung het jong sidu napu paklang tha lage alang limen ge lage Benjamin rong phar polo alang li Nagaland long si dudun amena aong hem si mane aik pen aik ke ha dak na sa lu suwan lo la si hala dak ahem si alang ke dudun lo la si February achiklo alom pen si alang dudun lo la si chok plenglim la ke chiklo yon thom an si alang plenglim do lo la si pini sai jok je alang pen nang ke thana teng pulang te todap adap porphai proxy se alang akeng bang jelo ha jiri kendang an ke paliji phan pu alang arideng thamta belo lapu pen choi jingthang loklo wang jilo lang no tangkari deng thangna ta be bonda be jiri kendang an ha wes an ke pali phan se alang kengran bang lo te to da ada pa por pen se bang lo pen ge tu nonan kang sam het jong dak dilai anang lesi dak dilai arada tum arjudun si non dak terang hemalong dak jiadong terang hemalong si dak thang check lo lasi koson si ke pale ji kusi nang kama tha do tenang redeng thang ta paisa ta be ko lockdown do ya do
ning ni tha bam alon anwar nam do por yase matha ban ban su bang jula matha thakin
kodak arleng sumar da du uma dak nang te dudun te bok tere lo
do ni ga su po kas pang su po
kono do la kodak se dalang di ako akapre ke abe bo
awe ne wanji busta me alang loving
te pilo hola kan da nang chitan domi upusin chitan tan hola ta
ala ta ne son thotlo rengno donu thengo pagan da pinang.
Later on Saturday, the 12-year-old boy was taken back to his home to reunited with his family in Jirikindeng with the help of the KSA Bokajan Regional Committee and Dilai KSA Head Branch led by Nobin Rompi and Abirta Tingu. Vijay Rongpi reporting from Dilai for Karbi Anglong Live. In what can be said as a total neglect of the authority, a solar street light post which had fallen down on road due to storm a couple of days ago had been lying unattended. Following this, locals expressed their strong dismay over the lack of attention by concerned authority. The solar street light post erected on the road leading from Mirjang Musoso Gate to the KPH playground fell down a couple of days ago. Locals told media that light post fell down due to the storm that hit the area last week. However, some have also blamed the poor quality of work. They said that the installation was not done properly, due to which it was unable to withstand the wind. On the other hand, some unidentified miscreants took advantage of fallen pole and stole away the solar panel and the battery along with the box, which added to the anger of the local people. It may be mentioned that solar lamp of this lane had been recently installed. As such, the falling of this lamp definitely put question mark on the quality of work executed. The fallen pole has exposed the utterly lack of depth the post was erected, and if it is the case with all the street light poles, then similar incident may occur in the future and might pose risks to public. This is also another street lamp lying unused along the road near the Agriculture Research Center, Dipu. Authority need to take immediate actions, or else the pole might also be stolen. Bikram Crow's report from Karbi Anglong Live. Now those were the top stories for this morning. Thanks for watching Karbi Anglong Live and stay safe.